guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup Simplified. For those of you who are new here, my name is Kashmira. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna explore the world of makeup together. These days, drugstore brands have been creating amazing products which are giving luxury brands a run for their money. So I decided I'm gonna use these products and create an ultra glam look today. So I was gonna wear this hot pink dress, so I decided that I want to do something on the same lines using a little bit of pink color, but I didn't want to go, of course, hot pink on my eyes. So I've decided to go a little bit subtle on the eyes with pink.
So today I'm going to be using the CoverGirl eyeshadow palette in Peach Punch. I'm going to be starting with this shade in my crease area. So crease and slightly above it as well. I'm going to be blending it really well. Make sure it stays darker in the outer crease and starts to get a little lighter in the inner crease area. Now I'm going to go in with the peach color and I'll start right in the center. Now I'm also going to be using this palette. It's the Revolution palette Extra Spice. And I'm going to be using a little bit of a dark pink shade from it. It's a nice pink wine color kind of a shade that I'm going to just dab all over my lid. Now let's go ahead and put our eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I have used the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Eyeliner. And now time for some mascara. I'm gonna go just on the upper lashes first. For the mascara, I'm using the Loreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. And now I'm going to do the rest of my face. So we're going to first start with a primer. For the primer, I'm using the NYX Bare with Me Jelly Primer. So I'm going to apply a little bit of it all over my face. I'm using a sponge to apply it. So always in your primer, make sure it's a little bit sticky. Although it will feel really weird when you first apply it. But it should have a little bit tackiness to it. So the makeup sticks onto it well. I'm going to be mixing my Maybelline New York foundation with the NYX Born to Glow Illuminator. So we're going to get a little bit of glow on. So I mix it well. And I'm going to apply it all over my face. Make sure you put some on your ear too so it matches your skin tone. Go in with a little bit more if you need, but make sure you get it on your neck as well. Do not ignore the neck, otherwise your face is a completely different color than the neck. And that just doesn't look that flattering. Next up is the concealer. I'm using this L'Oreal Magic Lumi Illuminator. And blend it well again. Next, we're gonna set this all up with a powder and we're gonna set it underneath the eyes. Next, I have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm gonna be using it to contour my cheek. Also, I'm using e.l.f. brushes most of the times. I have used some Morphe brushes, but my drugstore favorite is e.l.f. brushes. They're really good. I'm also going to do it on my jawline. And I'm going to put some eyeshadow on the lower lash line. I'm going with this shade. It's a little bit brownish with pink undertone in it. And now the final step in the eyes would be the mascara on the lower lash line. So always apply the eyeshadow underneath, like on your lower lash line before you apply mascara on the lashes, on the lower lashes. I'm gonna go in with my favorite blush now. It's the one by Milani in shade Luminoso. I love the brushes by Real Techniques. They're so soft and like really luxurious feeling. And then let's get the highlighter now. I have the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. It's in the shade Pearl. Ooh, that's an amazing highlighter. And using the same highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes and under my brow bone. Now the next step is going to be the lipstick. I'm using the one by NYX Lingerie Push Up lipstick.
And the final step is the makeup setting spray. This is the one by NYX Professional Makeup Bare With Me Makeup Setting Spray. You can actually even use this as a priming water for your face before you apply makeup. So this is my final look. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel Makeup Simplified, and share this video. Also, comment in the comment box below if you would like to see any specific looks.